Hi everyone, dear Anxious family. It has been 2 years since I have seen you face to face due to coronavirus. However, seeing each other online has been made possible nowadays through Facebook. We can study together and we were able to hear your joys and sorrows. Our ancient family experienced a lot of financial difficulties. If you are in grief with the death of a loved one because of coronavirus, I'd like to send my heart-lift condolences to you and your family. Our Neverland Christian School is celebrating its 9th anniversary this year. There were hard and difficult times for the past 9 years. Despite all of these, there were teachers who were with me. There were students who always smiled at us. There were parents who helped the school grow. Our Neverland Christian School is now located in Borak City. I am expecting our school to grow into a special school, not just an ordinary school here in Borak City. We hope to become a famous school with exceptional students, special teachers, and special parents who are different from others. We believe that in the future, we will become a school celebrating its 10th years, 20 years, and 30th founding anniversary. We will do the best that we can and will pray that Anxious student will become the best student in the Philippines. We look forward in experiencing God's miracle once again. We will start constructing again in January 2012 too. We will start to prepare for face-to-face classes. We will create classrooms for juniors and seniors and create a system that provides the best education to our students. Do you know the Bible of Job chapter 8 verse 7 in the Old Testament? Bible says, "Your beginning was small, but your end will be very great." Amen. We need your prayers. I'm happy to able to celebrate the 9th anniversary of Neverland Christian School with you. May God's grace and love be with our anxious family forever. Amen. God bless you all.